Take care of acne. So any skin issue, okay, like acne, or it's all a kidney issue at the root cause, okay. Yes, there's the hormones involved, but it's actually your kidneys, and here's why. Because if your kidneys don't filter out the lymphatic system, remember that your skin is a third kidney. Okay, if your kidneys don't filter out the lymphatic system, the lymphatic system will back up, and this will carry toxins and acids, and the skin will try and take the burden and try and eliminate those acids. Okay, but the skin is not as efficient as the kidneys in eliminating waste, so therefore it will back up. Okay, and you have skin eruptions, you have skin issues, and hormonally it will affect the glands that affect hormones as well, because mucus and acids will affect tissue, organ, and glands, and this will compromise your hormonal levels, and you can have acne like this. So acne is a kidney issue at heart and a lymphatic issue at heart. Okay, so you gotta fix those. 100% fruit diet, and use herbs, as I mentioned, the Fabulous 5 right here, and the kidney tea. Okay, and you persistence and patience, and you clear up nicely. Okay, add some green drinks in there, your skin will start glowing. It's not difficult at all. It's just you have to do the work.